TNT gang was up, man. Hey, it's your boy Tony B. Hey, and I'm sorry, y'all. I know.
You suck.
Your boy been MIA, man, but I got a good excuse, man. You know what I'm saying? I got a great excuse. You know what had happened was what really happened was man, I ain't got no excuse, but man, hey, if y'all don't know, man, me and my wife, we just started a new YouTube channel called Chillin' Eats. I see y'all got all that sun in your face, but we started a new YouTube channel, Chillin' Eats, where we review Netflix videos and food, man. And if y'all want to see that kind of jump, man, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna put it up here so y'all can click the link up there so y'all can watch your boy eat a little bit, man. It ain't nothing too crazy, but you know, we just enjoying ourselves so we can have a little date night, you know, do the husband wife type of thing, man. You know what I'm saying? But hey, y'all probably wondering why the heck I'm in front of this house like this.
Nope.
Why? Because today we got a little bitty package. Got a new package, man. Hey, I truly thought this package was gonna be bigger than this, but yeah, it's not a secret. I usually try to do secrets when I get stuff in the mail, but this is as you can see from Amazon, y'all, it is the cheapest foam cannon on Amazon, man. I think it was $12, and we're gonna see what it's twerking with, y'all. It's the cheapest now, so it's probably gonna be trash. And just looking at about how little this is, man, it's really probably gonna be trash, but we're gonna try it out, man. You know, 3T. Oh, man.
Stupid.
You know, TNT Garage, man. Hey, we do it big time right here, man. But we
Come on, man.
You know TNT Garage, man. You know what I'm saying? We gotta, you know, test things out. We gonna do it for y'all, man. If y'all didn't want to check it out, your boy gonna check it out for y'all. And I'm gonna give my 100% honest review, man. We gonna see what it do. We gonna twerk with it, twerk.
Come on, man.
Man, I'm turning this camera off, man. Let's get to work, man.
Perfect.
Alright guys, as y'all seen, I went on and knocked off some of that the first little dirt off of there. I don't know if that's exactly how you do it. This is my first time using the foam cannon, so you know, y'all please take it easy in the comments, y'all. But hey, I'm gonna give y'all a unboxing experience. We're gonna open this mug up and see what's in here. Alright. Got a little bootleg box. What this thing say? Made in China. It's the Bare Force adjustable pressure washer 2000 psi. Lord have mercy, I didn't know I was gonna need a box cutter. Hold on a second, let me get a box cutter. All right, I went on and used my little trusty scissors, and man, this kind of got me scared, man. This thing's so little. Oh, what we got? What we got here? Feel like we got the container. Oh, Bare Force Snow Foam Lance.
What?
The heck is that? Oh well. Boy, we got this.
How you do?
Oh, I got to use this stuff. I got to use this. I was gonna use my chemical guys. Well, no, I ain't gonna use that on Pop's car, man. I'm gonna use chemical guys. This ain't the right stuff, but I love this stuff right here. So I'm gonna use this in the foam cannon. You know, hey, y'all don't hit me too bad in the comment section, because this ain't the specific stuff for the foam cannon, but whatever. Sue me. Here go the nozzle. And the instructions. They're probably in Japanese too, cuz. Oh, okay. All right. As y'all can see, we got some regular English. Oh my, it's a bug on me. Yeah, we got regular English. I'm gonna not look at that. And we got the little, I guess the little straw that we're gonna put on the end of this. I'm gonna put it together, read the instructions maybe a little bit, and then we'll see if this foam cannon is actually worth the $12. Well, it was $13 with tax, I think. I'll put it up on the screen so y'all can see it. So let's go ahead and get this review going, y'all. Let's go.
Stupid.
What the? All right, guys. As y'all can see, I was just spraying regular water out of the foam cannon because it said make sure you flush it out for 30 seconds. Right here, flush it out. Flush all the yin yang chemicals out of.
Yeah.
No, I'm playing, y'all. I'm just playing. Hey, but I'm not gonna use this on Pop's truck, man. I want to see how it foam for real, but we're gonna use some chemical guys in here, man. I guess it says 20% solution, and then the rest of it warm water. So we're gonna go ahead and do what it do. Like I said, I went on and flushed the foam cannon out. It actually has some good instructions, man. Very intuitive, not in Japanese, but actual regular English, not translated Japanese either. So hey, I give it a thumbs up for that. So we'll see about the performance. It has a little adjuster right here. We're gonna go through all the paces, man, see what it do, and I'll show y'all the result. You know, I'll give y'all a little time lapse of me putting the foam on there so y'all can see it, you know, in action. But and once again, y'all, I'm sorry for all that noise, but hey, it's the summer, man. It's the summer and it's the South, so you know that AC gotta be pumping. So let's go ahead and put this foam on this truck, y'all. Let's go. Hey, it looked like it actually did pretty good, y'all. I had it messed up, man. Hey, just delete that first part of that footage, man, because it actually looked like it did pretty good. For me not using the actual foam cannon stuff, I really need to, you know, use that chemical guys foam cannon thing, and I bet it would look crazy. I bet it look crazy good. All right, guys, as y'all can see, man, that thing overperformed in my book, man. I'm gonna tell you this. The first thing I did wrong was I actually had the setting wrong. I didn't have it all the way open. And when I did have that thing open, boy, y'all seen in that last clip, it put a lot of foam out. And granted, it is chemical guys, and they're usually known for putting a lot of suds out. So and I saved y'all the headache of looking at me wipe this thing down. All I did was wipe it down with a microfiber washcloth, and then I actually just hit it with just the water to knock it off. And I'm gonna tell you this, man, it makes cleaning your car so much easier, guys. I should have been had me a foam cannon, man. I don't know what I was doing. I was just procrastinating, didn't want to spend the extra, what, 50, 60 bucks for the regular one. And like I said, this was $12, y'all. I didn't use the little Japanese chemical stuff that they came in the box. But if you guys want to see that, go down there in the comment section. Hey, I want to see the Japanese chemical sauce, man. Just go down there, comment, something like that. Let me know what you want to see with the foam cannon. If you don't want to see it, don't comment anything, because I really don't want to use it. But I can use it on one of these cars. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna put it on our newest car, but I could put it on the old car just to see what it looked like. Because you already know, man, this car right here got a bad paint job. Clear coat. Boy, I can't talk, man. Clear coat coming off and everything, so it wouldn't even matter, man. But hey, I enjoyed it, man. What I might want to do is maybe get a step above and get the professional one. And then we can compare and contrast from the extra cheap one, the mid-grade, and the premier one, the good one, the top of the line, man. Let me know in the comment section too if y'all want to see that. But hey, for real, out of a scale of 5, man, I give it at least a 3.5, 4. You know what I'm saying? I put it down 3.5, 4 because the build quality. The build quality ain't the best. It's kind of flimsy. Plus, I probably need to get a short one to where I can spray it a little bit closer. You know, the next foam gun I get. But I give it a 3.5 or 4 out of. Well, no, I give it a 3.5 just because of the build quality. Got great foaming, as y'all saw in that last clip. And as y'all can see, man, I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? I like stuff like that, man. Just getting a cheap product and it actually work the way it's supposed to work, at least close to what it's supposed to work like. But hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. You know what I'm saying? If you're not subscribed, man, you missing out, man. You missing out on some great stuff, man. We got stuff on Big Red back here in the back. Rust-Oleum paint truck, man. I've been bull jiving with that because I was supposed to have one of those videos up while I'm painting, but I've been kind of busy. We got a over 300,000 mile Armada that I'm gonna be doing some work to, so y'all stay tuned for that, man. Hey, we got a lot, man. Got a whole fleet out here to work on, man. So if you like cars, man, you like to laugh, you know, your boy like to entertain, go ahead and subscribe, man. But I guess I done ran my mouth enough. All right, guys, y'all take it easy. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.